Good morning and welcome to the Waverider Morning News. I'm Rylan.
And I'm Bryn. Today is Friday, December 21st, 2018. It is the 69th day of school.
Attention 5th graders. Mark your calendars for the Old Donation School Umberco Academy open house on January 3rd. If you have any questions, please see Miss Day in room 41.
It's time for our Vocabulary Word of the Week bonus. This week's Vocabulary Word of the Week was Mistrust. Congratulations to Larkin P. from Miss Hayes' class who wrote, "I mistrust a zombie because it might eat my brain." Please be sure to stop by room 17 and see Mrs. Felton for your prize.
Here are today's birthdays. Happy birthday Saturday to Seamus M. from Miss Hayes' class and Lucas V. from Miss Avery's class.
Happy birthday Sunday to Charles D. from Mr. Bowman's class and Charles D. from Mrs. Blankenship's class.
Happy birthday Wednesday to Ryan T. from Miss Garcia's class, Levi J. from Miss Torres' class, Aubrey R. from Miss Griffin's class, and Zane S. from Miss Angela's class.
Happy birthday Thursday to Adeline B. from Miss Yawn's class, Ewan C. from Miss Wetmore's class, and Elizabeth C. from Mr. Bowman's class.
Happy birthday Thursday to Brianna J. from Miss Myers' class and Kendall P. from Miss Brewer's class.
Happy birthday Friday to Morgan B. from Miss Brewer's class, Blake C. from Miss Winnette's class, and Veronica V. from Miss Uderwick's class.
Happy birthday Sunday to Loziah M. from Miss Jessie's class and Ryan R. from Miss Brookover's class.
Happy birthday Monday to Kayla S. from Miss Borcher's class.
Happy birthday Tuesday to Tanner C. from Miss Hayes' class.
Please be sure to stop by the office to pick up your birthday brag tag charm. We hope you have a great birthday.
Today's lunch is a choice of PB&J sandwich, fish fillet with cheese on bun, Mama Rosa's 5-inch cheese pizza, fresh chef salad and mini flatbread, 8-ounce yogurt and Crunch Mania, or hot dog on bun.
Now it's time for the weather with Kaylee.
Currently under light rain, the temperature is 61 degrees Fahrenheit. The barometric pressure is 997.7 millibars and falling. Winds are coming from the south at 9 miles per hour. The humidity this morning is 93%. In the past 24 hours, we have received just over 1/2 inch of rain at Ocean Lakes. Today's National Weather Service forecast calls for an 80% chance of rain. Today's high temperature will be 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight's low temperature will be 45 degrees Fahrenheit. The 4-day outlook calls for mostly sunny skies Saturday through Christmas Day. That's all for today's weather. Now back to Rylan and Bryn.
Thanks, Kaylee. Those are all the announcements for today. I'm Rylan.
And I'm Bryn.
Have a Frosty the Snowman Friday!